Do you want to give your contacts profile card a fresh new look? Samsung lets you transform it with built-in AI style in just a few taps. Let me show you how. First, open the Contacts app. Select the contact you want to edit. Tap the details icon. Then tap the profile card. Tap Edit. Next, tap Style. If you are using a photo of a person, you will see two style categories, photo and portrait. For this example, let's choose 3D cartoon from the portrait tab. Tap Generate. Once you are happy with the result, tap Apply. If needed, you can reposition or zoom the image. If you like, you can also apply a style to the profile picture using the same step. Simply swipe to the profile picture preview and repeat the process. Finally, tap Done. And that's how to apply a style to a contacts profile card on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.